Good morning, Shemsters. Welcome to computer class. In our previous class, we were able to understand how to work with Google Drive. In our today's lesson, we will learn how to use OneDrive, how to upload videos in YouTube, and how to use Google Maps. So, first topic of ours is OneDrive. OneDrive, previously known as SkyDrive or Windows SkyDrive, is a free online storage facility offered by Microsoft. As the name suggests, it is a single place where you can store your photographs, videos, documents, and much more in an organized manner, and that too free of cost. So, in order to open it, I'm just writing here in Google OneDrive login. After using this, you will get such a kind of link. Click on it, sign in Microsoft OneDrive. So this is a facility provided by Microsoft. Here, if you're not having any account, then you can create one. Or if you're already having an account with Microsoft, then you can use its username and password. For example, here I'm writing my username, and next I will be entering my password. When logged in, you will find such a kind of view. It is quite similar to Google Drive. Here, these are my files and folders. These are recent. And if any photograph, then you can click here on photos. And again, the shared folders, this is recycle bin. Again, I'm going to my file. If you want to upload, then you can click here, click on files or folders, and you can select any one out of this, and that will be uploaded here. You can check here, this is uploaded. And if you want to create a new folder, then we can give here name, let's say class 7, and create, and within this you can place your files. So this is how easy it is, and this is all free of cost. So it is password protected, as I told you. Storage area in cloud that allows user to upload and synchronize data to cloud storage and then access it from the browser at any time. So this is a facility which is free of cost, available here in your Windows 10 as well. Let me show you here. When you will click here on search, here you will type OneDrive. This is giving a folder here. I'll click here on open, and it will take us to the location where OneDrive is stored. Let me just show you how it look like. So here, this is OneDrive. This is by default installed in Windows 10. And let's say that I want to add any one new file here. You can just drag and drop from your computer. Let's say, for example, this one, I'm dragging and dropping here. Similarly, let's say I want, there is something lying in my E drive, and let's say from here I want to select this, and then you can drag it to this folder, and you need to just move to that particular location and drop it here in OneDrive. Now let's double click to open it, and you can check here class 7 folder is here, which was recently created online. And this is the folder, this is the file which we just uploaded, and this is the file, document file, which we dragged and dropped. If you see here that this is a check mark here, this shows that this has been synchronized online. For synchronization, your internet must be on, and you can check here this file, one more file which we dragged and dropped. This hasn't been synchronized. For that, you just need to click here on this cloud, and when you double click on it, it will start synchronizing. It will open it, and you can check here that here is a tick mark. So this is all about your OneDrive. You find a folder here which is in synchronization with the online drive. Next topic is YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing website created by three former employees of PayPal, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim in Feb 2005. YouTube facilitates the users to watch online videos, create a personal YouTube channel, and upload videos to their channel. So in order to open YouTube, you just need to write here youtube.com. So here, this is the link. It is youtube.com. And here you can check on the top right, on the top left, you will find three horizontal lines. If you click on this, you will find home. These are trending videos, and these are the subscriptions. Similarly, we have history, whatever we have watched, and then your videos, whatever we have uploaded here, we can check here, and then watch later, and you can check here. All these are the subscriptions, and more from YouTube. You can check here YouTube Premiere is here, movies, gaming, live, and these are the settings, and you can check here. This is the feedback which we can give back to YouTube. So going beyond this, you can you can create your own video by clicking here on this upload button, or that is create button. Click here and click on upload video. When we click here, then it will give us such a kind of interface where you can drag and drop your videos. For example, right now I'm going to some video. I'm searching for a video, and from here let's say I want to upload this. I will just drag and drop this file in YouTube. Here it will ask for title. Let's say I want to give here a topic tutorial, and here we can add description. Let's say class 7, and how to convert pictures to PDF, and at the bottom of this you can check here the uploading percentage. It has already been uploaded 100%, and now it is only processing. When we click here on next, it will ask for this, whether it is made for kids or not for kids. I am clicking here, and then if you want to give any age restriction, even that is possible here. Click on next, again next. Here save or publish. You can make your video public, unlisted, or private, where private stands for only you and people you choose can watch your video. It means the person who is having a link of this video will be able to have a look on this video. Others won't be able to watch this. Unlisted means anyone with the video link, and the last one is public. Everyone can watch your video. It means it will be available on World Wide Web, on YouTube, and it can be watched. And here, if you want to give a schedule, select a date to make your video public, and for that particular schedule it will be made public. This is the URL using which you can just I'm just copying this link to the clipboard, and later on we can watch using this link. You can get this link to the people who want to have a look on this video, and then close it. You can also share on other places like WhatsApp and even your mail. Right now I'm just right clicking on it, click on paste and then enter, and you can check here that this video has been uploaded to YouTube. You can check title here, tutorial. So it's here. So now we know how to upload a video on YouTube. So these are the videos which have been already published. This is a list of all the videos. Now let's proceed. You can use YouTube as a video editor. Now how is that possible? Again, we are moving back to YouTube, and there we will check our videos. When we had already selected this upload, after uploading you can edit it. Let's say these were our videos, and here you can edit this. So you can click here on this pencil, and on the left you will find editor. So this is a place where you can trim your videos, you can add any sound, and you can add blur, and you can add elements. So it will be quite simple here. From here you can use zoom. Now how do this editor work? Let's discuss about it. Let us assume that we don't want this much of part. Let's say step number 1 and 2 both are not required. Then we will click here on trim, and this is a blue line which is appearing at the beginning and the end of this video. I will just drag this double-sided arrow and bring it to this point till where I don't want this video, and you can have a look after pressing this preview button and click it. Then this is going to start from this point only. There's nothing between this because this part has been trimmed. Again I'm clicking here on play button, and you check that this is going to play from this point. Similarly, after this, if you want to make more edit, let's say this time you want to trim it from in between, then edit trim. You can just bring to a point where you don't want this video to be, let's say step number 5, and from there you will click on the split button. Again this blue colored line will appear, and again drag this to the point till where you don't want this video. Let's say I don't want this to be here till this point, and then again click on preview, and you can check here like this, and then you skip that particular part. So let me pause this video. In a similar manner, if you want to make an edit from the last, let's say that right now we are having this part here at the end and we don't want this one, then again drag this blue line to that particular point till where you want, and let's check whether this has been done or not. Click on preview and it will stop at that particular point. So this is really beneficial if you have already uploaded a video on YouTube, and you still want to make an edit your video, then there is no need to edit offline and then again upload this video on YouTube. So no need to worry about all that. You can just make a few changes using this edit tool here. After all your this edition has been completed, then you can click here on save button. Now last topic of ours is Google Maps. Google Maps is a free web mapping service that provides various types of geographical information. It offers real-time traffic conditions and step-by-step direction to reach a destination by any mode of transportation. It also renders satellite view, users submitted photos, 360-degree panorama and street view, thereby making it an interactive way to learn about different places all over the world. It is accessible through your web browser or an app for your mobile devices. So it is accessible through your smartphones as well, and it can be used to show a better direction or find a way. So in order to open Google Maps, you need to type on browser as maps.google.com, and you can check here. This will be the website. Click on it, and this is a view. Now let's say that you want to find a particular location, then you need to type here in search Google Map on top left. So let's say that here I'm typing here Shamford Futuristic School, Pinjore, and you can check here. This is the photograph of a school, and here you can check the location. Now in order to zoom, so this is zoom in, and you can check this location. Similarly, this is a zoom out. There is satellite view as well, which is available here, and you can click on the satellite view, and you can again zoom in, and you can just drag your map in your location. Like you can check this location here, and here we can check here that this is the school, your school here, skating ring and all. These directions have been shown here, including this road. Now let's say that you want to have a street view. You can click here, and photo street and street view is right now available. So again, if we click on maps, then again map view will be available. You can just scroll down here. This is a menu here available. Either satellite view or terrain view is available here, which will show forest and river. All this kind of terrain view will be available. So next is globe. If you want to have a look on it in a manner of a globe, then you can check here that this will show you a kind of a globe which will be in this kind of view. Just scroll in or scroll out, and this is the way it will look like, right? So it is showing this particular place. Again, move back, and you can enjoy and learn a number of things from this map. Let's say in India, if you click here, then it will show that particular place. Click on Mumbai, it will show that particular place with its photographs, and it will also give important places and quick facts about this. Let's move back and check here. This will show traffic, details of traffic, how busy these roads will be, and further your places which you have visited, your contributions, your timeline, where you visited in the last few days or few months. And you can also take a printout of all these things, and here you can change the language. So all these things, you can go through all these things, and this is quite informative and helpful while searching for a particular place, and you can use directions to navigate through it. So that's all for today. Today we were able to learn about OneDrive. We also learned about YouTube, how to use it, and its menus, as well as how to use it as an editor, and the last topic, which is what? Your Google Maps. So that's all for today. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care.